So today I want to make a quick video about my recommended way to install an Eccotemp outdoor propane shower setup. So I just swapped it out for the other one that I had, which I was using in my tiny home. So if you look here, you've got the gas regulator and the water regulator. And so I usually find that I can't get a hot enough water if I've got this fully set so that the gas is all the way up and the water's all the way down. I have high water pressure. If you have any good water pressure, the water's going to come out too cold. And then also you need to have a shut off, because if you shut off, well, this is a shut off too. If you shut off, if you use this little button as a shut off that they give you, it's just this joint is going to break and this button's going to fail. That's why I just have it permanently glued in one place. So here, I'll show you how it's working. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You'll see that, boom, lights up. Gas is going in there. Let me see better from here. You can't see it so well from in here either. There's gas in there. See it? Boom. And then, so like I said, to get hotter water, I just turn down the volume. And again, a circle one, you want to have a spinning dial valve rather than a hand lever because you can't control it enough. And I'm going to turn it way down. And when the lower it is, the more heat I get out of it. That's a nice warm stream of water. I don't know if you can see the steam coming up. But if I were to run it with just like this at full blast, then I got this really high flowing shower that's not very warm at all. So that's why I have this extra valve. I can do it. You know, you don't get as much water out. It's still going. Sometimes the unit shut off if you do too low of a water flow, but this one seems to be working just fine. You know, nice warm water. Okay, there you go.